Hey traders! Injective has been making moves lately, up 32% this week and now trading around $5.12. Volume is also picking up fast, which usually means fresh attention is coming back into the market. But here's the real question. Is this the beginning of a strong bullish breakout? Or are we looking at a classic bull trap before another pullback? Personally, this next move could be very important for short-term momentum. What do you think? Pump or trap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, we just shared our latest Injective price prediction, key support zones, and upside targets on our Patreon page. The tester plan is only $10, an easy way to see if our analysis matches your trading style. Check the link in the description if you want access. And as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice.